morning, good afternoon and good evening. It's Lee from Magnetic North Magnet Fishing, and today I'm going to be joined by Andy Michelle and also a very special guest, Raymond Harper. And we're going to be fishing in Sheffield, South Yorkshire today. It is a site we have done before. Ray's first time up here in this particular site, and we're looking forward to it. So nice and cool today, 18 degrees. So hope everyone's doing okay. If you are looking for a magnet, check out kratosmagnetics.com, where you will get a 12% discount on checkout of any magnet product, ropes, things like that. They're all very good quality. There is shipping and import duties, but you won't regret the product. kratosmagnetics.com. So this is where we're going to be fishing again. You recognise the location. Michelle and Andy are down there, and we're joined by Raymond.
Hello.
So we're going to get on to it. So today, folks, I'm going to be using an online magnets Evo 80. Never used one of these before, so really looking forward to giving that a try. And this is Ray's one, so nice. So weight's quite good on this one, not too heavy. Yeah, feels alright. Let's see how it throws out. I am tied off, and straight away 20 metres without any problems.
Hi, Ray.
Hey Ray, how's it going? Johnny and Maddie coming back at you. Just want to say, hey, we heard you're doing some awesome magnet fishing with some really cool cats. Kind of jealous. But you know what, buddy?
I'm jealous too.
We like it. And you know what? We want to wish you what?
Very good trip.
Wish you good luck, buddy.
Good
Take
luck.
care.
Oh, so Ray's just cast in, and well, I'll just let him show you really. It's got a complete mishmash.
Spanner, second spanner, a bolt, a bit of whatever that is.
So he's got lots of tools,
That file.
a knife blade, some bolts,
Oh, a butter knife.
and there's a butter knife, bits of everything.
Yeah. You know,
And
and
today he's on the Genesis 120 magnet by Magnet Store.
yeah,
Oh, bits of everything,
you name it.
nails as well.
Yeah, you're not kidding.
So he's got a whole magnet full of stuff on one cast. That's a very happy Raymond. So first cast, files, triangular files, cast metal, I don't know what it is, and a nail. So on that one, lots of files, metal disc, some knife blades, knife blanks, teaspoon, that's a keeper, but as you can see. So just going through the finds on the magnet, I just got this very small boot nail and or boot stud, and that's social history, so that'll be kept. So Ray's on to the finds again. Yeah, look at that. Possible criminal activity in the area. Still working.
Still working. Fantastic.
Nice.
Yeah, like that.
And I've just had this large nail, quite an early one. That's interesting for me anyway. So just had a bit of a do and we had to get 2 magnets back from the bridge. Nicely done. And just got this kitchen knife fragment. And on that one, got a very old scaffold clamp. So on that one, bit of a nail, and then we've got ding ding, well, a bent ding ding. So product testing the Evo 80 on a 30-meter rope at 8mm. It does just sail all the way out, and it's got a very heavy grip when it grabs on something. So on that one, got a big fixing bolt, plate metal, magnetic rocks, nails, pot of unfinished scissor, and a cast piece. No idea what that is, probably a machine part, but a bit of a knife blade there, just there. So nails, files, magnetic rock, ding ding, drill bits, washers, another ding ding, plate metal. So I've just caught something here, and I've literally struck gold, or so it says. It's a shame, but part of an old enamel sign, a gold. But yeah, it just shows this history here. So on that one, a hinge from an old gate, mushroom bolt that's been shaped to a chisel point, making it into a tool. And I've done it just there. It's a penny. So I've got a penny, I've got a penny, a penny, 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 hey! Oh no, no, no. So Andy's just been stuck on the bridge there as well. So it's happened to us all so far. On that cast, we've literally got files, pipes, bits of plate metal, a huge bolt here, a large piece of cast iron pipe. We've got a fork there. There we are, look. There's a bit of a knife blade, there's a washer. There's probably other things on there, but we'll get back to that in a moment. And on that same one, beautiful fork. Got some maker's marks just here, which will be cleaned up. 1930s. That's a nice item to keep. And on this one, just a few bits. Broken file there. Got a bolt there. That's interesting. So on this side, take it off so you can see, we've got a stone mason's chisel. That's a nice item. A spanner on that one, and a knife blade, magnetic rock. So just had this small pen knife there. Oh, just got this clamp thing, and it's obviously screwed in at the bottom. And knife blades, nails, file, magnetic rock. So on that one, we've got a unfinished fork. I like that. See if there's any maker's marks on it later on. Well folks, it's happened again. So we've got a 303 and on the base, Royal Laboratories 1927, and just here there's actually a crack down the case. So that's just come in folks. It's got a bit of a wire, and just there we've got a nose cone, 20mm shell, and just there we've got a teaspoon and a very old square-headed nail. Got a very large spoon, and it has got markings on it. Come in, trapped on the sill. There we go. Just there. So that'll be cleaned up. So on this particular magnet, lots of broken, some nail bits, but just here we've got trapped in, got a brass number 8. So lucky. See what the next throw pulls. So just had these bits, more tweezers, another knife blade, and this hook just there. Just over here, this is all the scrap that's come up so far as well. Pipes, things like that. The shell got those, so that's all that as well. Scrapman is booked. We'll be taking all that and whatever else we get. Well, still fishing a bit more, but low on battery.
Well, you've got this guy.
So just here we've got a sewing machine that Ray's just pulled out, and here's the old needle adjuster, the plate, and this is going to be pre-1910, and that one will be from the old mill just around here. So me and Raymond together, we got this out. Solid cast metal. So Ray's just had a find out, which is this nice block. There we go. W4 and a percent symbol, and that's a brand, maybe for boxers, things like that. 1890s. Just come out. It's this piece here showing men at a forge and a man with a sickle. Turn it over, there's a clearer thing. And there we go, beautiful. Also found by Ray. So Scrapman's been, all scrap's gone, cleaned down. There we go. Don't forget, shift your scrap. Job's a good one. Thanks for watching everybody. We've had a good day down here, and it's bye from me and bye from everybody else. And don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I do love reading what you put. Thank you very much. This is Lee from Magnetic North Magnet Fishing.